Today we're going to be diving into the Outrush 2. It features better performance, clearer audio, and smarter connectivity features, all in a sleek modular design. In this video, we're going to be walking through the specs and features and showing you how to get started with the helmet, so let's jump into it. The Outrush 2 is the perfect product for riders looking for a modular helmet that comes packed with tech and features. This user-friendly helmet comes with second-generation upgraded HD speakers and acoustic chambers, so it provides a rich and deeper, more immersive audio experience. So now we're going to go over the control and feature layout of the Outrush 2. On the side here, we have the plus and minus buttons, and that's going to help you raise or lower the volume, but also going to allow you to navigate through the menus. The center button in the middle is going to allow you to bring up that settings menu, but also use other features like phone pairing mode. We also have a pinhole on the side of the unit, and that's going to help you reset the unit if you ever need to. On the back, we have a USB-C charging port for fast and reliable charging. On the top of the unit, we have the Mesh Intercom button. So that's going to allow you to easily turn on and off Mesh Intercom. When we move around the helmet, we also have front, top, and rear vents. So if you're riding, you have that ventilation easily accessible to you. The helmet comes pre-installed with a clear pin lock ready front shield, but if you wanted to upgrade that to a smoke shield, we have the link for that. It's sold separately, and the link will be down in the bio below. If you didn't want to buy the whole new shield, the helmet actually comes pre-installed with its own drop-down visor. So using the lever on the side here, we're able to drop down and raise the visor back up. Now we're going to get into the modularity. So the front of the helmet here actually has a latch to bring that front part of the helmet up for ease of use and convenience. On the inside of the helmet, we have removable cheek pads and an inner liner. The helmet comes pre-installed with a microphone, upgraded second generation HD speakers, and with the ratchet chin strap for ease of use, so it is ready to go out of the box. Now we're going to go into the intercom system of the Outrush 2. This helmet moves away from Bluetooth intercom and into our Mesh Intercom family. So it already runs Mesh 3.0 network. That network allows you to connect with riders up to 0.7 miles away from you, and it does have a backwards compatibility feature. So if you have other riders in your group running Mesh 2.0, this helmet can do that as well. Our mesh network has two modes. We have open mesh, so you can connect with riders depending on what channel you're in, but we also have a group mesh mode for more private and secure groups. So if you want to connect up to 24 riders in group mesh, you're able to do that for a more secure and private connection. You don't have to connect with people if they just ride up to your group and happen to be in Mesh Intercom. Even though this helmet moves away from Bluetooth intercom, it doesn't remove its capability for Bluetooth connectivity. You're still able to connect to your phone for that turn-by-turn navigation, or if you want to take phone calls or listen to music, the Outrush 2 is able to do all of that. Another feature we want to talk about here is Wave Intercom. Wave Intercom is now compatible with the Outrush 2. And Wave Intercom is going to eliminate a lot of device or distance limitations that other intercom systems use because this is running on the cellular network. Something else that's pretty fun is that you're able to actually see other riders' locations within the app. So if you guys are meeting up somewhere, you're able to check someone's location and see how close or far they are to where you guys are meeting. Something else that's pretty unique to this system is the intelligent wave to mesh conversion. So if you guys are all using Wave Intercom within your group and someone falls without that cellular network, you're all going to automatically transition into the Mesh Intercom system and stay seamlessly connected. One more thing that is very special about this system is the fact that you don't need a Sena device to run Wave Intercom. You can use any Bluetooth connected device. All you need is the app to ride connected. So now we're going to get into the audio of the Outrush 2. The Outrush 2 comes with upgraded second generation speakers, so you're already going to get more powerful audio coming straight to your ears. On top of that, something that we're introducing in this helmet that we have not done before is acoustic chambers. And those are ported holes right next to your ears that are actually going to enhance the low frequency, resulting in richer and deeper bass. All of this together means that whether you're listening to to music, taking phone call, or listening to your turn-by-turn navigation, you're gonna have a more immersive and powerful audio experience. The Outrush 2 is compatible with the Sena Motorcycles app. My favorite part about being able to use the app is that you're able to adjust the audio settings with the built-in equalizer. On top of that, you can update your firmware over the air, so you don't need a Wi-Fi adapter as long as you have your phone, access to Wi-Fi, and the helmet. You can update your firmware, and it's super simple. The Outrush 2 has great battery life. It has 20 hours of talk time on Mesh and only takes 2.5 hours to fully recharge. On top of that, it also comes with a quick charge feature, so if you're ever in a pinch, it really does come in handy. The Outrush 2 is available in glossy white or matte black and is sold in 5 different sizes from small to 2XL. The helmet's also sold in either ECE 2206 rating or DOT rating. To turn the helmet on, you're gonna hold down the plus and center button until you hear hello.
Hello. Battery level is medium. Phone pairing.
Now we're going to show you how to pair your phone to the Outrush 2. First, you want to make sure that the helmet is turned on.
Hello. Battery level is medium. Phone pairing.
You know that the helmet is in phone pairing mode because the lights are flashing blue and red. So since this is a brand new helmet, it automatically goes into phone pairing mode. All we have to do now is go over to our device and select the Outrush 2 from the Bluetooth list.
Your headset is paired. Phone connected.
Now that the phone is connected, you'll see that it is flashing blue. Now I'm going to show you how to open and navigate through the configuration menu in the Outrush 2. To get to the menu, we'll hold down the center button until we hear configuration menu. This may be past phone pairing mode.
Phone pairing. Configuration menu.
Now that we're in configuration menu, we're going to navigate by using the plus and minus buttons.
Exit. Factory reset. GPS pairing. Second mobile phone pairing. Exit.
And when you're ready, if you want to select any of those options, you'll use the center button to select.
Exit.
And that's how you navigate through the configuration menu. My favorite part about the Outrush 2 is the fact that it's a modular helmet with great sound quality. For more information about the Outrush 2, check out the links in the bio below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Connected.